These? Yeah.
Yeah. He's gonna take his out.
Hoover been game time.
Yeah. I'll go ahead and get this right. I don't know. My phone on charge.
11 dollars around my neck and that just up and change. 10 bands up in my pocket, fresh up out the bank. Send my niggas to push
Oh, 14 is the best fat person.
Gotta get it for my mama. I'm spending that short, I'm with them colors. We gon' swerve when you say that.
Boy got that war paint going on.
You know my drip. You know my drip always certified.
They trying to go, but Miami and PBG and all you know is go. This fuck was good, we don't worry about it. I'm a star, I'm ready to love like you got down. Bitch, you know you tall. I'm a in your section, lay up, I'm in big. In your section, lay up, I'm in big. In your section, lay up. But one of them women, when she said she wish she did keep it back. I was just seeing in prison down there living. I got this freeway that I'll share one. I don't need no counsel cause my man good. Bitch, I got a card that you left for.
My boy Jimmy. Big Jimmy.
Man, no women, they already know me.
Alright, man. Good. Going on. Heard it, baby.
Yes, sir.
What's up? Shake good man.
Oh yeah, always, always. They ain't gotta worry. We're ready to go. Listen, go, baby. Bring it back. Way to go.
Hey, man, I know it's been raining. It just dawned on me when I came around back. He got Chopper and just
What's up, baby?
OG.
Oh, yeah. Doing all right?
pick you up. They was playing right there.
What up, Phil? What's up, baby? Yeah. What's up, boy? What up, Cole?
You using all those?
Yes, sir.
Kickers, quarterbacks, centers, hurry up. Outside first. You got 3 minutes. Hurry up. Hurry up. Naeem, you need to hurry up. You got to go kick. Go.
Tell me win on 3, 1, 2, 3. Win!
Make sure it's like a nice.
I'm sliding over cars while I shoot. They think that I'm Tom Cruise. And we still trapping like some fools. Y'all been trapping up since elementary school.
Hey, let's go, Big Still. The U in the building, baby.
Blessing on that beach. Hold up. Boom, tryna put it on the news. Posting switches on the internet, that boy. Fool bought a purse, he still ain't hit it yet, that boy. Fool bought a, he barely know the plug, that boy. Fool, blam, boom, you see all these diamonds on me, hitting. Blam, boom, plenty, ain't tripping by no. Blam, boom, amp bite, finger itching. Blam, boom, I paid to kill him, gonna kill a tricky. Blam, boom, if he speak on a murder, that's a red flag. If pillow talk to, that's a red flag. Too cheap, that's a red flag. If I'm in that back seat, throw the white flag. I'm tryna play me. Man, jump out and I know why we here from. It's working. Boom, you can't live with me as no rap.
Head. And it is head. You want the throw. Where you want? You want to defer your choice to the second half. It's your choice. And you're going to receive, and which goal are you going to defend? And you're going to defend that goal, turn your back to that goal. You guys come over here with me.
Captains for Parker tonight, number 5, Philip Davison. Number 9, Jeremiah Beeman. Number 13, Malik Muhammad.
Cause I'm who the rappers rap about. Call us ROAG. Round of applause. Cause me and all these clap a lot. They say Nardo being black a lot. They say look, keep it strap a lot. He say he gang, I say no you not. She said I can't, she came on her dot. I done seen a lot of crazy things. Lot of brutal images in my brain. That be tweaking. That's an understatement. I'm in.
Dougie told me he been on some positive shit. Yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit. Yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my air. Boy, you ain't shit with a badge. All my life they be trying to keep me down. All this time never thought I'd make it out. No. All my life they be trying to to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I just sat with the men, politicians, I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more, I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm the voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that's still unemployed. I know a felon who tryna get forward. Child support, your only support. For a visit, I'm going through courts. Went to jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as fuck. See how you gon' joke about stimulus, but they really had came in the clutch. I know some kids wanna hurt themselves. Stop trying to take truth, I refer to myself. Trying to better myself, trying to better my health. But all my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down.
First generation ghetto nigga, cold world, hello nigga. Just made it out the city with my head on straight. Keep shooting up the let out. Yo, enjoy the pill, gotta get out. The shit that I spit out is a cheat code, like I'm facing a Rico. I had to put a hit out, and another one, and another one. I got like 100 of them by the lap, so they think they ahead of me, but I'm really in front of them now. Some of them fumbling they bad, fucked up the little crumbs that they had. A reminder to humble yourself, this shit could be gone in an instant. Me, I'm running long distance, all pistons firing. I've been stuck between maybe retiring and feeling like I'm just not hitting my prime. These days, seeing rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard of Lil Buddy, till somebody murder Lil Buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching Lil Buddy name. Got her playing his tunes all day in my room. Thinking, it's shit wicked to get their names buzzing. Some just gotta go lay in a tomb. And media thirsty for clicks. I got a new rule. If you ain't ever posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after he get hit. It's simple, it's the principle. On any tempo, I'm invincible. Don't even rap, I just vent to you. I'd rather that than an interview. Most days, fuck them all like I'm going through a whole phase. Young shoot out the whip like road rage. I pray all of my dogs stay so paid, and the only thing to kill them is old age.
All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down.
Touchdown to pay like a rando and get to the brig of what you doing. Break on the beat, but feeling real way that I walk on the beat, ain't no bad to do it. Burger my change, I add a scratch up during the show, better think before you try to do it. Bust down the play, that's an alley hoop. Switch it, it's good, now he got it, he camel suit. No cap on the beat, this factual. I put the gang on the map, now we national. If you ain't from my side, then I'm taxing you. She back out a bottle like Betty Boo. Can't say her name, then my little woo. She hate when I be telling like it, she know the truth. Still a pop out like I'm bulletproof. AMG big Cartier hanging out the roof. Now on my side, now the 22. Step on the opposite Prada designer shoes. On my they what money do. I'm with your trying to see what they honey do. Sent out for a low prayer, make it through. Phone ringing now, no, I can't wait a day or two. Walk hard got me feeling sensational. Say this your but to me she look takeable. She said that I look like a snatch. Told her meet in the back, ate like an edible. After this, I can't chill and relax. Gotta get to the bed, let me check on my schedule. To my ice on my neck, change the weather up. So ice again, nobody big as us, gang. Whoa, 23 shot like I'm Michael Jordan. Touchdown to pay like a rando and get to the brig of what you doing. Break on the beat, but feeling real way that I walk on the beat, ain't no bad to do it. Burger my change, I add a scratch up during the show, better think before you try to do it. Bust down the play, that's an alley hoop. Switch it, it's good, now he got it, he camel suit. No cap on the beat, this factual. I put the gang on the map, now we national. If you ain't from my side, then I'm taxing you. She back out a bottle like Betty Boo. Can't say her name, then my little woo. She hate when I be telling like it, she know the truth.
First the deal when I walk in the function, I'm high off these mid, but don't think it ain't on me. In the club with these Glock in my undies, you make the wrong move, you get sent with your homie. When we in the club, they can tell we them they getting us a whole lot of money. I counted this paper, this shit keep coming, you know that I'm thumbing and thumbing. Steady popping my on these, I know that they hate it, I'm just being honest. Had to get out my go give me a back, I ran up a check with no honors. They bet if you dread out the fence, if they don't let them out, then we gon' kill your honor. Pull up on the scene and we black out the whip presidential like we was Obama. Gang.
Whoa, 23 shot like I'm Michael Jordan. Touchdown to pay like a rando and get to the brig of what you doing. Break on the beat, but feelings real way that I walk on the beat, ain't no better do it. Burger my change, I add a scratch up during the show, better think before you try to do it. Bust down the play, that's an alley hoop. Switch it, it's good, now he got it, he camel suit. No cap on the beat, this factual. I put the gang on the map, now we national. If you ain't from my side, then I'm taxing you. She back out a bottle like Betty Boo. Can't say her name, then my little woo. She hate when I be telling lie, guess she know the truth.
Come on, boss, baby.
Boom, blam, tryna blam you. Blam, boom, blam, boom, blam, man. You blam, boom, blam, boom, blam, boom. Jump out and I blam, boom, blam, boom, blam, boom, blam, boom, blam, boom. All these changes making me hot. Tissue for my wrist, big boogers in the watch. Come on, let's squash this. I think not. How you left him when you saw him? I think shot. Ops try to keep they kids cause they know we gon' spam. Ops when they got they kids, the only time we gon' spam. And this mask, they ain't knew I used to always wear 'em. Broken still out my jeans, used to always share 'em. And that slime ain't nothing, used to always do it. I ain't never drove, used to always shoot it. I ain't never waste my beam, used to always use it. Loud don't matter, used to always blam boom. You see all these diamonds on me hitting. Blam boom, plenty ain't tripping about no blam boom. Ant bite, finger itching. Blam boom, I pay to get them, gone them, kill a trick. Blam boom, blam boom, blam, tryna blam me. Blam boom, blam boom, blam, man. You blam boom, blam boom, blam boom. Jump out and I blam boom, blam boom, blam boom, blam boom, blam boom. Boy, drive out my cars like it's urgent. I'm a boy, don't get too close cause I might burn you. I'm a boy, but I put ice on all my. I'm a boy, I bring the fire to the trenches. I'm a boy, I'm a boy. 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 I'm a boy, but got a lot of code. What's a $500,000 on my neck, 450. Drop a load off to the trap and tell my Lewins get busy. Don't let nobody tell you different, we the littest in the city. I'm a hot boy, I tell a jeweler cool me down. They'll be posted in the hood, a lot of killers sitting around. He was on the sideline, caught him at an angle, forced him out of bounds. Send them hot boys on the blitz and tell them burn that down. Hey, what the hood that is right there, she look like my type. Don't care how big her booty is, won't hit if it don't feel right. Hey, what the hood that young, that be fly. It's a bird, it's a plane, now that's not on the sky. Hey, what the hood that going 150. I'm the richest, youngest, ain't nobody f***ing with me. Hey, what the hood that look with all up. If you look good, you look good. I ain't tryna hear that you too old.
Baby, I can pop out right now, pull my big one on these. Damn, I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros. Nope, I might be factual, like can I get exposed? Grew up talking slick, I catch before I catch a cold. I ain't tryna kick it with you, I got broke toe. I'll take it offensive, I'm too rich with broke. I won't drive my TRH no more, that just too slow. Maybe white on white, did all but body, that's my new sexy. I know a couple of these really hating on me. I know a who acting faithful, but she waiting on me. I don't, none of you, I can't fake it no more. Who is that? That's a Lambo? Oh, that's not a...
We can be good, man. Listen to me. We gotta fight. We mistaken. Go. We there. We there. But we gotta finish, man. We forced it. Just do what we need to do. Ain't nobody doing nothing. They doing anything spectacular. Y'all better athletes than them. We just get tired, lazy. We ain't find the ball driving. Man, we get that down block on the backside linebacker right there. On the 10, we score.
Man, think I'm running out of hottest spot. Been coming in. He was in our business and got spanked. He shouldn't have butted in. I come from that block where be hot the summer never end. I'm really the one that been settled in.
I'm a hot boy, drive out my cars like it's urgent. I'm a hot boy, don't get too close cause I might burn you. I'm a hot boy, but I put ice on all my. I'm a hot boy, I bring the fire to the trenches. I'm a hot boy, I'm a hot boy. I'm a hot boy, I'm a hot boy. I'm a hot boy, I'm a hot boy. I'm a hot boy, I'm a hot boy.
up like a donut. I do this for the niggas who solid and free all them real ones who gelling in Bow Mountain. They can't do nothing with them. Beefing with who? It ain't nothing with them. I'm hearing this.
All right. Two drop. Hey, I was just thinking that, man. Sparks fast, man. You gotta start getting him. I want to make two. We got back.
Good fit.
Stuff. All right, fellas. That ain't the outcome we wanted. Young guys, sorry. Y'all was gonna play for the Lightning. But you tell us, I tell y'all all the time what get us beat. Little stuff, man. We gotta fix that. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to understand. We could have played anybody. They did some more stuff that everybody been pounding, beating their chest. For what? Shut it up. For what? There's a reason. We trying to go to another level. We ain't trying to be another city school. They think they ain't getting no coaching, or they just gonna beat themselves. We gotta get out that mold. That's why I was pissed. Y'all should have heard when I said, "Well, you black." That's little stuff, fellas. That mean you ain't listening. What we listening to? What we listening to? On game day, what I tell y'all not to do with me? I had about 7 people come bother me. That's little stuff I'm trying to get y'all to understand. They're gonna get us beat. Little young guy that was in here playing around gonna be at home on game day. That's on me and the coaches. We're gonna fix that. Everybody have to do their job. Coaches as well. My thing is, man, got a chance to be special, but we gotta stay together. Have fun, man. Stay out of trouble. Got a lot of stuff to be good. It don't matter. It don't bother me. I know what we seen and what can be fixed. All this fixed. Everybody understand me? Yes, sir. Y'all together. We all need.